All right, if you're looking at these terminated LED lights, I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and then we'll install them and show you what it looks like on the car. It comes with gloves so you can keep your fingers off the bulbs. It comes with your instruction manuals, little rubber seals, another instruction manual inside this little baggie, and of course it has 4 headlights. Now, I've already got one installed just to save some time. First thing you do is locate our headlight. In this case, it's down here, and it's just a twisting motion, and then it should pop right out of the housing. You can see right there, but on the back side there's a little clip I'm going to squeeze, and then this headlight should just pop right out of that housing just like that. So take this one to get it out of the way, and then we're going to go ahead and install a new one. Now these new ones have cooling fans. They're LED, so they should be nice and bright and make a big difference for seeing at night, making it safer for us when we're driving on dark roads and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and just clip this in. You can see it's got a little tab right there, and that locks into the wire housing. We're just going to slide that right on, so like so, and then it clicks. And then all you got to do is put it back in the housing, line up the notches, and then twist it in place just like that. A little bit tight, but there we go. So now that's all in. Now I will say this is nice because this pack comes with 4, so you have 2 spares. Now this is the one I just pulled out, of course, but now I have 2 spares as well. And you know, like I said, these guys are nice enough to send these out to me, so that's great. So let's go ahead and turn on the headlights and see what they look like. Well, as you can see, those are very bright. It's a foggy night right now, and look how bright those headlights are. So a huge difference compared to what we had before. So it's going to make it driving down the road much safer. People are going to see you easier, and you are going to be able to easily see down the road a lot easier. And that is low beam too, so high beam is probably even brighter. Let's take a look at high beam. Well, that's what the high beam's on, so that is actually blinding to me standing here in front of the car. But anyway, I just want to thank the company. They were nice enough to send this set of 4 headlights out to me for the 2011 Toyota Highlander. Make sure you check if you're ordering that it's going to fit your particular vehicle. But they were nice enough to send them out so I can do a review on them. Hopefully this answers a few questions for you. You can see what they look like on a vehicle, and maybe you can determine if it's the type of headlight you want for your car.